We can also show various string properties such that it's important to note that the strings have an important property known as immutability. This means that once a string is created, the elements within it cannot be changed or replaced. So we just print the string. Let's try to change the first letter to X. So we assign a character X to the 0th element. That means we assign X to the first letter of our string. When we run it, we are given an error of type error. The string object does not support item assignment. This proves the property of immutability, that the string cannot be changed. Well, there's something we can do is to concatenate strings. We now print the string, concatenates with this plus operator, and then the string which is to be concatenated. When we run it, the string is shown in our output. This string is from S, and plus operator concatenates the new string with our variable S. We can reassign S completely though. So we do here is that we assign this operation to our previous variable S. So here we do is we are reassigning our S to this operation. So when we run it, now this operation or this string is stored into our S. When we print it, our S, the string is returned. We can also use the multiplication symbol to create repetition. So we assign a character Z to the variable letter. So what happens when we multiply this variable letter with 10? The Z or the character is repeated 10 times. We have basic built-in string methods. The object in Python usually have built-in methods. These methods are functions inside the object that can perform actions or commands on the object itself. We call methods with a period and then the method name. The method name are in the form object, dot, then the method name, and then the parentheses along with the parameters of this method. Here are some examples. So we have our variable S with a string of this. So what happens when we uppercase our string? We use a method dot upper. This converts our string into the upper to lowercase our string. When we run S dot lower, the full string, all the characters are returned into the lowercase. So now we see dot title method. This method does that all the characters of the words are capitalized, or we can say that the first character of the words are changed to uppercase. So when we handle extra spaces, we here see that the hello string is having spaces on left and right. When we assign this string to S1 and we use rstrip used to right trimming, this method does that the right space of the string is trimmed out. Same we can use lstrip to remove the left space from the string. We can remove the extra space by using the strip or split. So here we assign again this string to the variable S1. We use strip to lowercase. This does remove the spaces from both the sides. We can split a string by blank space. This is the default method. When we call s.split, then the words are returned into a list. And when we split by a specific element, this does not include the element that was split on. When we run it, we see that the list is returned of the words as element of this list. So I think that's enough for this video. We will continue in our next video.